Our first thought when we wanted to create this new kitchen door was to make a more sustainable product. But what if we could make this new kitchen door only out of waste? Since our product is consumed by a lot of people, we believe that we can make a huge difference by actually changing the way we use resources and use recycled materials.
In March 2015, we met with product development team and supplier. We brainstormed in different directions, and eventually we decided to use two main materials. We worked very hard together with the supplier to find a product that was not only sustainable, not only of high quality, but also affordable for our customers.
We found a way to transform these used PET bottles, which are collected by the municipalities in Japan, and transform them in this kind of foil, which then is used to be laminated on top of the KUNGSBACKA front doors.
This is completely new on the market, and there were some challenges how to combine the different parts of the democratic design. How could we reach low price? How could we also reach the form we wanted to have? And at the same time have a high quality and also a good functionality.
The recycled wood is coming from different sources. Woodworking mills scrap old furniture, as well as packaging materials. Then they go through filters and then chop into these small chips, and it's transformed in the actual chipboard panel.
Sustainability should be for the many people. It should not only be for the ones that can afford it. And that was something that was really important for us when we started the development of KUNGSBACKA.
We are not only making a kitchen furniture door, we are making something new that is also helping to the environment and maybe to create a new consciousness for the new generation and maybe for our children's children.
Our aim is to increase the share of recycled materials in our products. We are looking into new ways how to reuse materials such as wood fiber, foam, paper, plastics, so that we can give the materials new life in a new product.